Hola a todos, quiero mandar un mensaje a los amigos de Correliena. En fin, un fuerte abrazo y muchísima suerte en su primera carrera contra el cáncer. Y ahora me voy, pero no andando, corriendo.
Dreaming of a boat setting sail all alone, heading for a paradise. Found my better me in the small things you see, discovering a home again. Found my better me in the small things you see, discovering a home again. When the day fades away and there's nothing left to say, I read your thoughts out loud. In the golden hour, we're breaking like waves in the sea, and all the lies that drown in golden hours, and all our dreams feel so real. Good time, come over here. Is it